Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about KPF, Keepa Product Finder, where we basically filter down our Keepa search to find potential profitable products based on our criteria. We're going to be talking about products with a decreasing competition and increasing buy box price. So that way we can reverse source on Google for these products. So if you're just joining us, my name's Cynthia. I'm a 7-figure Amazon seller. Please remember to like and subscribe if you can get any value out of this video. I'd really appreciate that. This is a brand new channel and thank you for joining me. So without further ado, let's get right into it. This example, we're going to focus on lowering the competition and increasing the price. So we're going to go to Product Finder and we're not going to mess with any filters first, but we're going to mess with the new offer count filter, which is this here. And so my current competition, I want it to be no more than like 17 sellers. Then the 90-day average, we're going to put maybe like 22 sellers, and then 190-day average, maybe just like 30. So that narrows us down to 10,000 products. Now we're going to go ahead and put a brand. We can just put Adidas. And now that's just 10 products that we can look through and try to reverse source them on Google and see if we can find them. So we're going to check here. And if you haven't set this up yet, you want to filter this from top to bottom. So you see how now it's 800,000 rank. So this means it's a very slow selling product here. So we can just filter it from lowest ranking to highest ranking. So obviously these here are pretty good. So we're going to just check that out real quick. And so if you look at the Keepa on this one, you can see that the competition is decreasing and the price is increasing, which is exactly what we were looking for in our filters. Okay, so now we're going to check that this product is actually selling. Well, there's only like around 5 sales. And then we're going to check the product details. So 60 days average is 135K. So maybe we can filter down our sales rank filter just a little bit. Maybe we can put 60K. And now we're down to 4 products, so they're likely to be selling a lot faster. So we're going to check that. Okay, soft foam size 6. And then it's just a matter of looking for this product on Google and trying to find it somewhere. Looks like Kohl's has it for $44.99. Selling for $54. We won't be making any money there. You can actually just buy it from Kohl's if you have Kohl's Cash. This would be a good opportunity to use your Kohl's Cash. So let's check another listing of this Black Ultra Boost in a size 11. Amazon is in stock here. Decreasing competition. Amazon is in stock here as well. Going in and out of stock. So for this type of item, we would check the buy box statistics and see if Amazon is sharing sales. Looks like they are. So this is maybe something we'd want to buy just a couple units of. Selling for $138. Now, if we can find this exact shoe for anywhere under 90 bucks, we can be making some good profit. Okay, so I tried to find it and I came across this shoe, but only one minor detail, which says here it's DNA. And this is just like a regular 1.0. But then I went down here and I checked the reviews and it looks like it's the same shoe. I think it's just made from different materials. Oh, okay, trash ball. And go, okay, you kind of get the idea. You kind of just reverse source whatever products you find on this search. And they might be a little hard to find considering that the competition is very low. So that is how you use Keepa Product Finder. Now, if we wanted to check a different category, all of the Keepa charts will look exactly the same with the competition decreasing and the price increasing. Let's check grocery real quick. Actually, let's check beauty and personal care. 100 products. Okay, this one's discontinued. Competition is decreasing and the price is increasing. So if we can somehow source this item. Oh, looks like we can actually find it nearby. This is the 8.5 ounce. Oh, look at that. We can actually get it at Albertsons. I know that they might have this one in store, actually. You can actually go to your store and try to find them in store. I know sometimes they carry them. So this guy here is selling a 10-pack for $277. So you kind of get the idea. You start looking for the products. These are discontinued. So that is how we do Keepa Product Finder, and you can get creative with it. You can mess with the sales rank, the 90 days average. You can click up Amazon out of stock. That even lowers it even more. And you can even put a price. Say you only want items that are currently selling more than $25. You would put that in there. That lowers it even more to 39 products. And if you want, you can even put a subcategory, a color, a model. But these filters here are king for finding products with decreasing competition and increasing buy box price. And then down here, you can actually, if you want to find like a bundle product, you would put here number of items. You would put 2 items, and that narrows it down even more to 3 products. And you can kind of just get creative with it. Bought in the last month, if you want like 30 units bought in the last month, you can narrow it down even more. Or you want to put 500, you can. The more narrow, the more specific your search gets. And the cool thing too, review count is here. If you want 300 reviews, you get that there. But the more narrow, the less products. Right now we have 0 products. So just curious, let's check what these 2 products are. Native shampoo and a silicone. And so yeah, I'm not going to get too much into it. But that's basically Keepa Product Finder. Okay, so that was my Keepa Product Finder tutorial. I hope you guys learned something and enjoyed the video. If you did, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one, okay?